Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only friends can chat with you in app on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here and now click settings, now click privacy. Now here you'll find who can chat with me in app, click on it and click on friends, and that's it. It will be turned on, and that's how to make only friends can chat with you in app on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.